Welcome Primary 2, with you is Miss Noura Abdurrahman, and today we are going to start lesson number 3, the electricity. Are you ready to start? Let's go! Here we have a washing machine. How can I make this washing machine work? I need power or energy to make this washing machine work. How can I get this power or energy? I can get it from the electricity. Excellent. So the electricity gives the machine the power or the energy to work. Without the electricity, the machine can't work. So the electricity gives the machine the power or the energy to work. The electricity is a form of energy. The electricity is an energy. So, what is the electricity? Form of energy. What is the electricity? Form of energy. What is the electricity? Form of energy. Excellent, super. Okay, how can I get the electricity? Where can I find the electricity? I have sources to find the electricity. Number 1, batteries. Repeat after me. Batteries. Repeat after me. Batteries. Batteries. The batteries are source of electricity. What is the meaning of source? Source means that the battery give us the electricity. The battery give us the electricity. So the batteries is a source of electricity. Inside the battery Inside the batteries, there is an electricity stored. There is an electricity stored inside the batteries. So we can get the electricity by battery. Super excellent. Number 2, I can also get the electricity from the wind. Do you know that? Yes, I can get the electricity from the wind by something called windmills. Again, repeat after me. Windmills, windmills, windmills. So what is the windmills? The windmills are device working by the wind to get electricity. How it's working? When there is a wind in the air, it is making the windmills move like that until it's become like that. After that, when the windmills move, it get energy. When the windmills move, it get energy, and take this energy and store it as electricity. So we can get the electricity from the wind by using the windmills. Again, we can get the electricity from the wind by windmills. We can get electricity from the wind by windmills. So we can get electricity from battery or from the wind. Number 3, we can also get electricity from the sun. How can I get the electricity from the sun? There is something called solar cells. Repeat after me. Solar cells, solar cells, solar cells. Can you see the solar cells here? This is called solar cells. What is the job of the solar cells? Or how can the solar cells make or get electricity? It is taking the sunlight from the sun and store it as electricity. It's taking the light from the sun and store it as electricity. So what it can take the light from the sun and store it as electricity? The solar cells. The solar cells take the light from the sun and store it as electricity. So we can get electricity from the sun. We can get electricity from the sun by solar cells. So again, we can get electricity by three sources or three ways. Number one, we can get the electricity by battery, or by wind, or by the wind. How can I get the electricity by the wind? By using the windmills. By using windmills. Okay, number three, I can also get electricity by the sun. How can I get electricity by the sun? By using solar cells. By using solar cells. So, how can I get electricity? By three things: battery, wind, and sun. Battery, wind, and sun. Battery, wind, and sun. Battery and wind by the windmills, and from the sun by the solar cells. Excellent. Okay, if now I get the electricity and I want to make this lamp work, I have a lamp and I have electricity and I want it to work. I get the battery. Now I have the battery to make as a source of electricity to give me an electricity, and I have a lamp. I want this lamp to work. How can I make it work? I will use something called electric circuit. Called what? Electric circuit. Repeat after me. Electric circuit. Electric circuit. The electricity works by electric circuit. The electricity works by electric circuit. Okay, how can I make the electric circuit? I need three things to make the electric circuit. Number one, the battery. I need battery. The battery is the source of the electricity inside the battery. Number two, I need the electric wires. I need electric wires. I need electric wires because the electricity will walk or will move from battery inside the electric wires. After that, I need the lamp or the bulb. Repeat after me. Bulb, bulb, and bulb means lamp. Bulb means lamp. So I need three things: battery, the source of electricity; electric wires, the electricity will move inside it; and the bulb, which is will work by electricity. Again, battery, electric wires, and bulb. Battery, electric wires, and bulb. Battery, electric wires, and bulb. Here is the battery, and here is the electric wires, and here is the bulb. Okay, how can this electric circuit work? When the electricity moves from the battery have two ends. One end is here and one end is here. When the battery move from this end or from this side, move through the or inside the wires to the bulb. After that, it move again to the second end of the battery, so that the electricity will work or the lamp will work. So when does the lamp works? When the electricity passing from the end of the battery through the wires to the other end of the battery. When the electricity moves from the first end of the battery to the wires into the second end of the battery. So this is the electric what again electric wires and bulb. With you was Miss Noor Abdurrahman, and thank you for listening.